Now, how you have to take here? For example, our circuit diagram is given circuit diagram for your homework. You can here, okay? We need here also. You can directly type it here. If you need input output from here, browse. Then you have to open connector, then active, and input from here you can take its input. This will be the inputs. You have to write it as an ABC. Okay, input name A misal. Okay, how you can search from here. Search directly. Have to write it here. INPUT input. Okay, input. I will write it capital. INPUT input. Okay, it will come like this. Just you have to go down. Just you have to go down, and here you have to select this input. Double click, or from here place it. It will come same. Okay, that way or this way. Now you have to write it B. Misal, this is our B. Again it is C. Okay, C in. Okay, C in like this. It is there in C in means C in. You can take C in. Okay, 3 inputs. 2 outputs is required for your circuit diagram. Output means you have to write it output. Enter alatul. And you have to at the last one. This is the output here. Select and place. This is your sum. Need more, it is bigger, you can make like this. Okay, it will be little bit, it is go circuit will become more wazi. Now I will go for this one as a NOT gate 7404. Enter. This will come here. So one is here, another is here. 2 in NAND gates. 74. Next 7408 means AND gate will come. Okay, 2 AND gates. This is here, this is here. Okay, 2 AND gates will come. XOR means 7486. You have to type 86. Enter. So alatul you will get it. Alatul you will get it here. Okay, this one is here. Now I will bring something here down. No problem. This is you have to keep it here. Okay, this you have to keep it here. This you have to bring here, and this is goes to here. Now how to have to now connect this one, all this thing from here. Wire tool. This is called a wire tool. From here to here. Okay, and from this one, from here to here. Now I will take this one in order. Okay, now I will take in the order here. Now again this one and this one, I will connect this one to here, A. Okay, and this is goes to here because we are going to full subtractor here. Okay, this is half subtractor. Now this one from here to here you have to connect it. Okay, and this is goes to here. You can take this one also again if it is required. Here also you can take here. Okay, C in. Now again I will go for from here to this one is goes to here. Okay, and one more I need it. One more I need 7432. OR gate is required for your circuit diagram. It is given on the blackboard. Okay, this is goes to here. This is goes to here. Connect here. Halas. And this one I will connect and I will make it. Now this is goes to here. This is goes to here, and this is goes to here. Okay, this is goes to here. From here to directly have to go connect this one. Khalas, this circuit diagram is khalas first. Shabab, this is circuit diagram is finished. Then what you have to do? See, from here, export the circuit. Okay, then save it. Save. Okay, then here, see, root. From root it is coming. From root, board. Okay, marratain. Okay, for example, this will come like this. Your circuit diagram will come. Okay, like this. Your circuit diagram will come like this. Okay, this after this one here. From here you have to take file and print. Where is the print? Here in the option, next it is take option. From option, first one you have to take mirror in top layer. If it is like this, you have to remove it. Only take mirror, my top layer. then here okay, click okay. Here print. Now you can take two copies for yours. Okay, here one for printing and one for the file. I will take only one. Okay, here. So now I will print it. Okay, I will print. So the print, first take the printout, top layer printout. Okay, next again, see now this is the top layer. Okay, this is the top layer because here all are the vertical lines and red lines is coming here. This is the top layer. I will go for the bottom layer now. Again from here, file and print option. Now you don't need this one. Remove this one, mirror. Top layer also remove. Only bottom layer. Fakat bottom layer. Okay. Then okay. Print. Only one file is enough. Only one copy is enough. Okay. Then the printout will come. This is only horizontal line will come here. See here only horizontal line. This like this. Okay. Azrak. Khutut al-azrak. Next شباب آخر one من هنا مرة ثانية ثالث this one file and print, again option, then here now without mirror, top layer and bottom layer, top layer my bottom. Okay, واحد نسخة هنا. Okay, no problem. واحد نسخة اختر واحد نسخة واحد. Okay هذا الشكل كامل يجي هنا. هذا رسم الكامل يجي إن شاء الله. Okay, تبع الرسم الكامل. Okay, this is كامل. This one. Take this one at bottom layer. If it is two layers, okay, like this. After this one, and this is the square is here. Square. Okay, this is here. Square is there. This is square is there. Square means this is the pin number 1. This is the IC pin. This is bottom layer. Take it bottom layer down, and this one. This is here now. This button. This you have to keep it like this. Okay. This you have to keep it like this. And trace Shabab. Here I will show.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now you have to trace like this. Okay, like this you trace. It will become like this. It will become like this tracing. Okay, it will be traced in the light. You have to trace it. Okay. Now because if it is both the side, it's required top layer and bottom layer. Then you have to take like this. Then pin here, staple, and then put your board here, PCB board inside. Now since you are only one face, okay, I give one to you, only top layer. So this is not required now, but only top layer. I will keep this top layer on the PCB board. So let me take the PCB board. I will give one piece now. I will take one piece from here. Okay, this one, after this one you have to remove this epoxy resin. Okay, afterwards with this one silk maya or sunflower. Okay, clear. Pause. Clear. Like this you make clean. Okay, like this you make clean. Then wipe off this one. Now the nuance is ready. Okay, now nuance is ready. This one or this one, anyone. Okay, I will keep it like this one or this one, anyone. You have to keep. Okay, keep it like this, and I will take this one like this. Okay, now no need this one. Okay, this we need to iron it now. Come to iron now. I will keep something down here. This is here. Keep it like. You have to make this one and keep it like this and make the iron. Keep it 1 or 2 minutes. Now after this you have to remove. Enough, it is enough. Okay, enough this one. and then you have to check it. Before this removing, all this removing, you have to check it. Slowly you have to open here this paper. Oh, very nice. It is printing, sir. Okay. This one is, now it is very hot. This is now printed, Shiva. Okay. This is now printed on this one board. This you have to take as in here on the pen with marker pen. Line is line, point on point, point on point. Okay. Wherever it is not visible, this line, make with foot. Okay, foot rolls. Okay, with ruler and mister yani. Take it's the line in a line. Okay, which one is not perfectly appearing here. Okay, not clear. That you have to make here. It is some points are not clear. So make it point till a point with the permanent marker. Okay. By this way, afterwards you have to keep this one. It is enough for your homework. It is enough up to this one. The whole tarika is after this one you have to take this solution. Okay, ferric chloride. Then this solution and this one. After this with pen, marker pen, then you have to keep for in this solution, Shabab. In this solution you have to keep for the 40 minutes. Then what will happen? Then it will be like this. All this nuhas, all this the copper will go off, and it will be. This is called this process is called the etching process. Due to etching process, all the copper will go. Only the tracks will be remaining here. Tracks, okay. That tracks according to this one. The make by the drilling machine. By the drilling machine in that room is there. Drilling machine. You have to hand drilling machine make all the holes. Okay, holes. Then wherever it is required, the electronics items you have to mount it on this one. This process is called the through hole construction, and this the complete will afterwards we have to put this one and then solder all these things. Okay, solder, then it will become the this is I think it's half adder circuit diagram we did it, and this on circuit small circuit. Okay, like this, Shaba. But for you up to this is enough. Up to this is enough. Okay, hope you are understood.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.